Hi guys, it's Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, and I'm back bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your films. Today's sound effect going to be someone on on the swings or swing set if you're American. I think maybe you call it that. Anyway, this is going to be the sound effect, so you can use this for like creepy playground at night scenes in movies when there's a swing set swinging but no one's on it. Okay, so let's play that sound effect now. Oh, get off now, I'm getting tired. Well, hope you find that useful, guys. See you in the next fans of